Hi and welcome to our channel. Today a new uploaded video with a beautiful and interesting theme, namely how to use pastels and soft colors in the home decor. How we have already said in the video description, the open finishes and details, the pastel colors and the furniture design together with the natural light create a welcoming and relaxing space at the same time. So, if you want to set a harmonious home decor, you need to use subtle colors. Pastels and muted soft colors are superb in wall design. We will show you how you can harmoniously add variety, style and charm to your room decor with subtle color combinations. For that reason, we have selected here amazing images of home interior in pastel colors and soft color pastel. Pastel and soft tones such as mint green, pink, light blue, sage, light gray, apricot colors are calming, sweet and relaxed because they have serenity, peace and springtime in their look. What can be more calming and peaceful than an ocean blue nuance or a earthy forest green tone? Pastel and soft color are today once again very popular in the interior design industry. You can turn any color into a pastel mixing that color white, a lot of white. In fact, their proportion of white pastel color always look fresh, welcoming and inviting. More than that, you can easily match a pastel tone with another pastel nuance. Why? Because they complement each other almost perfectly and they can be combined in any way. Just imagine a cool Arctic blue with a French vanilla nuance, or a light mint green with powdery lavender, or you prefer powdery lavender with French vanilla and cool Arctic blue with light mint green. Any combination will look great. So, when it is coming to choose the color palette for your home interior and your preference is a harmonious combination of pastel color, let your creativity run free. A perfect balance is the background in soft neutral or in pastel with several accent color spots. You will find many examples in our video. A subtle color palette in pastel or in muted soft color combination is the ideal background for emphasizing your furniture and decorative accessories. And speaking about decorative accessories, I think it is a good idea to give a try and decorate your empty walls with large modern paintings in pastel colors. Or maybe you prefer a group of smaller paintings in soft colors. Amazing effects on the room decor can be achieved with the color design, effects that can affect your mood. Every color combination has a psychological effect on people. More than that, color is perceived differently and therefore has a unique effect on the viewer. Not to mention that the size of the room, ceiling height and the layout have a significant influence of the color palette. It is not the case for pastel and soft colors. Pastel color combinations are fit for any room regardless the size, type, shape or destination. You can see that in our video. All the living spaces presented here, from living rooms to bedrooms, are bright, airy, peaceful and serene. So why not to try these candy colors in your home design? After all, it is a big change after many years of home interiors in neutral color palette. And do you know what is the best thing? You do not have to change the background if it is in a soft beige, gray, brown or blue. Just add a pastel accent wall, or better, several accessories such as ottoman, decorative pillows, and rear rack curtains and modern paintings in pastel colors. They will make a huge difference and they will make a big visual impact. Let's see here a beautiful bedroom in a pastel color palette. Amazing the color combination from violet and green to coral and purple. The effect is a bright and glamorous living space. beautiful example of using soft colors in the interior design. This time a charming bedroom in cottage rustic style metal frame bed, lovely wallpaper accent wall, rustic nightstands and beautiful decorative elements. Super bedroom decor in farmhouse style, lovely color palette in dusty soft colors, so welcoming and inviting design, isn't it? A similar bedroom design with a feminine touch, again a beautiful pastel color palette predominantly in green hues such as mint green, sage green and soft dusty green. Here you can see an example of living room in soft muted color palette, beautiful and bright living room in a perfect mix of styles, modern rustic with several retro style accents. Brand new apartment with a cute kitchen dining area, light pastel color palette from a delicate teal color to a beautiful soft coral color. Indeed a beautiful decor and a lovely living space. We sincerely hope you like our video and you have found here valuable inspiring ideas for your own home makeover. Please write your opinion in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.